I had to leave and go to the High Court. When I was at the when I stood for the High Court, I identified a number of fault lines. One of them was judges in the agent court, in the High Court in Gauteng, regarded that court as hell. Only one judge did the agent court in a week, that is day and night and weekends. And I said, that's impossible for one person to do it. And I introduced a two-judge system. And the rest is history as how judges are able to manage the load of that role. But I also identified that there was a problem with part-head trial dates. The norm was a part-head civil trial only came back after 3 years. And that was inimical to proper access to justice. And I introduced a system where I enabled judges that whenever they are sitting in a civil trial that they realize was going to become part-head, before that matter ended in that first sitting, they should source dates when they could be available in the following term. And I would factor that in the roster that I would issue for the next term to make sure that there's continuity, right, with the trials. That was the other thing. And the other thing was to reform the opposed motion litigation in Johannesburg.